A crystal of pure light, shaped with intention, and refined into a powerful channel of clarity and energy. This exceptional Vogel-Eredyon Wand, carved from natural Brazilian clear quartz, reveals a water-clear brilliance, with a soft champagne glow and delicate internal veils and phantoms, quietly resting within the crystal. These natural formations add depth and character, a reminder of the conditions in which it formed and the journey it carries within. Hand-cut with precision to the exact Vogel angles and aligned with the crystal's natural hexagonal core, this six-sided wand allows energy to move with remarkable clarity, focus, and balance. Every facet is intentional, every line guiding the flow, creating a refined and powerful tool for healing, manifestation, and deep energetic work. Clear quartz is known as the master amplifier, a universal channeler that magnifies your thoughts, balances your energy, and sharpens your intentions. It resonates with all chakras, gently opening the mind and heart, allowing you to receive guidance, connect more deeply, and move forward with a sense of clarity and purpose. Held in your hand, this wand becomes more than a crystal. It becomes a conduit, a steady bridge between intention and manifestation, guiding energy exactly where it is needed, with light, precision, and a quiet, expansive power.